So if you've cleaned a lot of floor mats, or maybe you know what I'm talking about, if you have like WeatherTech floor mats, all these rubber floor mats, you know, they get crusty. And if you scrub them out with like an APC or something, a lot of times these things, they'll start to turn gray, okay? That APC, it takes kind of like the oils and stuff out of the rubber, but they start turning gray over time. And so you always, after you clean them, you wind up having to use another like protectant or something to try and get them looking like dark again, looking black again. And so the McKees floor mat and cargo rejuvenator, so this does not work. It kind of works like an APC. It's a cleaner, but it's meant to kind of protect, it's pH neutral. It's kind of meant to protect these things to keep them looking dark so you don't have to add another product. So anyway, today what we're gonna try and do is we're gonna try and take this one, all right, that was used all winter long. It's full of salt, mud now, and everything else. So we're gonna try and see if we could get that crusty old one that's been used all winter long and everything. We're gonna see if we could use the rejuvenator to get it looking like new, or if it's gonna kind of stay looking nasty and like we have to use different products on it. So let's see how good this stuff works. Let's test it out. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna spray this off as much as we can. And a lot of that stuff already came off, but I could still see a lot of like stuff. I don't know if it's showing on camera, but there's a lot of marks and everything that I could see. So next step, we just take this and we're gonna, oh, there we go. That's a little better. And the wind is actually blowing it back at me now. All right, so you're supposed to spray this on. Especially in here, this is, well, you can't see it now. It was pretty nasty. All right, so we spray that on, and then we're gonna take a brush. Now this brush is marked tire shine, but it's clean. So the instructions say let it dwell for a couple seconds, so we're gonna let it do that. All right, we've let it dwell a few seconds, actually about a minute. And it would figure the lawn mowing people show up when I'm doing this. So we're just gonna take our brush and go in, try and get any little crevices. Especially around the emblem. All right, so we're gonna see just how well. Let's see if I could just do it with just this brush. All right, so we'll check that out, but I want to also do, and if I spray a little bit on here, all right, I want to see if I do an area like this, if it's going to change the look. All right, we've scrubbed, let's see. All right, we're gonna get our towel, dry it as much as we can here. Okay guys, so the mat is dry now. Now we can see, all right, everywhere that there was all that salt and everything. So everything's been cleaned off. I cleaned it really good. There's no more salt, mud, anything else on here. It's super clean. However, everywhere that the heel of my foot normally goes, you could see the scratch marks from my right foot on here. That is still gray. That did not like keep it black. Although, you know what, if I'm going like this with just my finger, it kind of does. So I'm a little bit confused. But anyway, But everywhere else that there was crusted salt, everything, it cleaned that up nice. It didn't turn the mat gray. So overall, I mean, I'm kind of happy with what it did. It didn't turn the whole mat gray. All right, guys, so did the McKees floor mat and cargo liner rejuvenator return the old weathered mat into looking like new? Well, it didn't quite rejuvenate it. I was kind of hoping for a little bit better than what you see here. You know, I was kind of hoping that it would have something in it, maybe to actually like maybe hide some of this. So overall, I feel like I'm gonna wind up wiping this down with some type of product to maybe hide these scuffs and everything. But it did clean off. I mean, it cleaned really good. Everything that was originally black or that didn't get scuffed up by my heel, it didn't turn it gray. I've had that happen with some of the other APCs out there, and then I wind up having to use the like Koshemi, the GUF, the Gumma Fix on the entire thing. On this thing, you know, obviously, like if I'm not going to do like one area, I'm going to do the whole thing. But you know, overall, it cleaned it really good. It's not slippery. It's not slick. It's actually got a really good feel. In fact, it has the same exact feel as the brand new one. So I'm gonna have to say it's like I'm 50-50 on this one. I'm not gonna say fail because it cleaned it really good. It's giving me that like nice feel. It dried easy. It rinsed off real easy. So let's see how the floor mat rejuvenator works on the rubber soles of these boots. I'm really happy with this stuff on the boots. Worked really well. There's nothing left behind. Everything's super clean. I don't feel like slickness. I'm not gonna slide around on the floor. So I'm happy with that. I mean, these things look as good as new. So, all right guys, so the rejuvenator, I'll probably wind up using it on my actual, like my rubber soles of my shoes and boots because this is kind of an expensive product to be using versus like an APC. If I'm gonna wind up having to put stuff back on here to make it look like new again. So now if you're just cleaning mats, you know, this is driver's side mat. It gets obviously the most wear. If you're cleaning other mats and stuff where there's just occasional traffic, this is probably gonna work great for you because it's not going to turn that stuff gray where you're gonna need to add that product back again. So it's gonna save you a little bit of time, maybe a little bit of money because that Gumma Fix is really expensive and you don't dilute it. So anyway, that's kind of my thoughts on this stuff. So hopefully you guys liked the review and that little bonus of, well, now my shoes are actually clean again. So hopefully I stop leaving all these marks. Anyway, guys, hope you have a good one. I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.